Becky's in here, and I'm going to show you how to make a quote in Canva. It's a really simple process. Anybody can do it, and you can quickly make a whole bunch that you can share all throughout the month or year. Once you're in Canva, go up to the turquoise button, create a design, click on that, and we're going to pick a social media square. So we're going to start typing in social, and as always, that social media 10 by 80 comes up. And once it loads, we are going to search templates. So we click on the templates tab and we're going to search quotes. This will bring up templates that are specific for quotes. Scroll through and see if you can find one that you like. Let's see. Let's grab this one. Super cute with the coffee. Love it, but we're going to change that out. I already searched a couple quotes that I wanted on Google, and make sure you have the original source of who said the quote. So we're going to do this one right here. I always love me some girl boss quotes. I'm going to copy it. Oops, go back. And I'm going to paste it right in here. We're going to have to shrink down the text. So go up to the top, shrink down the text, and you're going to have to play with it to get it just right to where you want it to be. Up a little bit more. Okay, we'll get it eventually. It'll get there, I promise. Let's see. Let's try 36. There we go. Okay, and also we know we want to take Sophia's name out of there. So we can kind of shape it this way too. This is actually easier. Don't know why I didn't do that before. And just kind of get it to fit where you want it to fit. And then I'm going to change the name out. There we go. Okay, let's find a cute image. So we're going to go over to photos and type in, let's see, girl boss. And let's see, right here. And if you hover over the image, you guys, it'll tell you if it's free. If you see this little $sign, that means it needs to be paid for. So let me find something here. Actually, this is the best one. I like this. Be weird, right? So, and that'll get a little attention, but you can do, if you double click on the image, you can adjust it over that way or that way. So you could do that one. Let's see. And you just kind of go for the emotion when you're searching the images. Sometimes it takes a little bit. We're going to stick with this one. All right. Now all we have to do is hit the down arrow, down, and you have your image. And it's a fun little quote. Now, if you want to do one that doesn't have a photo, let's do add new page. And this is where we're going to start creating stacks. That's what I call them, little stack bundles. Let's do another quote. So let's go up here to templates, quotes. And this is just a simple format. You can change the colors and, oops, that one's not free. Hold on. Let's find you guys a free one. Here we go. All right. You're going to just simply double click. Add her name. Go back and get the quote. And you guys, as you do this, you're going to kind of get a flow. That's definitely way too big. So we're going to bring that down to like probably 28. And as you guys can see, this is all grouped together. So I want to ungroup that so we can start moving these. Let's bring that up here. Actually, we're going to delete that. Let's squeeze this in and make it a little bit bigger. And this is a lot easier if you guys just manipulate the text box and then you aren't having to play with text size like earlier. Let's move Sophia down here. Look how cute that is. Now, if these are not your colors, I mean, they're totally my colors because this is like Green Bay Packers. Shout out to the Cheeseheads in Wisconsin, but not everybody's a Packer fan, right? And it's not your brand colors. So go ahead and click on the yellow after you clicked on the image, the yellow. And let's see, we can find something different besides yellow. Let's try the pink. Oh, that's super cute. Let's do the pink. And then you could keep the green. You just click on each image here and you could change it up. But I really like how this looks, so I'm going to keep it like that. Now, Sophia's a little hard to read, so we can try to change that to that. There we go. And you're done. You guys, just like that, you made a graphic. Now, don't forget to add your unique watermark, logo, all the things. So I'm going to go ahead and put my Instagram handle. I'm going to make it the same color. Oops. The same color as everything else. I'm going to shrink it down. And I think I'll just put that. We'll put it right here. Wherever you think it would fit. You could also put it down here in the corner and change it to white. Just play with it and see what you guys like. And then you would download. Now you have 2 images in your stack right here. Go ahead and click on this, all 2 pages. You can, if you hit download, it will download both of them into a zip file. What you want to do is pick the one you want to download. So I want to download the second one. I check that one, click done, and download. And you have your quote. And now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helped create quotes for your wonderful business.